Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to view your favorites in Roblox. To do this, go to Roblox, click on your profile, and in your profile you can find all your information, including your favorites. Your favorites are located here at the very bottom. If you have something favorited, for example, I'll add this map to favorites or like it. Favorite, right? Go to your profile and scroll down. There. And here they'll appear. My profile just hasn't updated yet. Here are the favorites. That's all. This has been your host. Goodbye, everyone. You can click on my favorites here, and select your favorite accessories, animations, and so on.